Claude provides something called a software development kit, okay, SDK. It's a set of libraries that you can use to automate Claude. And for example, you can create an agent, you can ask the agent to do the work, you can create subtasks, you can use skills, you can do a lot of things through the API. So Claude SDK requires an API for Claude to work, okay? But the API for Claude, you have to pay for it separately. And you have to pay API pricing,
Exactly.
which is API consumption. And it's $15 per million tokens, something like that. When you configure the Claude SDK and you want to run it, there is an option to use the Claude SDK with your subscription pricing. So
Like
instead,
as we are using subscription model.
exactly. Now, I don't know exactly how it is implemented, but I implemented it. So I went into Visual Studio Code, I went into Claude, I asked Claude, I want to use the agent SDK to do a query. It set up the SDK, set up the query. Then it said, I need your Anthropic API key. Then I said, I don't want to use the Anthropic API key. I want to use my subscription. Then it said, okay. And then it did some brrr. And then it said, okay, authenticate here. We'll use the same authentication. And then it authenticated and boom. Now it executed using my subscription. Okay. Now, once you build that capability, you can now automate a whole bunch of stuff.
Sure.
Right.
We'll
What you think, yeah, you can automate. You can start automating on that. Document creation, research, sending emails. Like, I did another experiment the other day. I asked Claude, can you send an email? Then it said, okay, I need to install Google APIs, Google this, Google that. Then it tried to use Google account. Then it wanted some security authentication. I said, no, just use the API. It asked, then it set up the API and boom, it sent an email. Claude.
Yeah. It sends directly.
Directly.
Okay. Can we try it once? Can we, if there is time?
To the person
Can we
which
try it?
You want to do it now?
Yeah. Shini, and if possible, can I post it on management groups?
Yeah, absolutely.
Sure.
These recordings, you're more than welcome to do it. So let me just fire up
Yes, Srini.
Studio. So applications, Visual Studio Code. Okay. Open. Okay, right. So that won't work there. So let's do it another way. Okay. Terminate this. New folder. So I've got Claude Code, which is running on this Gmail folder. Okay.
Yeah.
Now we want to send and receive emails from Gmail. Okay. I want to check my Gmail. Can we set up the integration? There's two options. You can either use an MCP or you can use an SDK from Gmail or whatever else. Here it's saying you can also use OAuth 2. I don't want to use OAuth 2 because it's more complicated. I just want to use the Gmail API. You agree?
Yeah.
So it's going to set this up, and then I'm going to say, can we use the Gmail API? Actually, let's have a race, okay? We're going to have a race. I'm going to use this, and I'm also going to use Cursor to do it.
Okay.
I think Cursor will make it fast.
Yeah, let's have a close folder. Great, close. Great. Let me create another folder. So okay, right. So let me share. Can you see my desktop?
Yeah.
Great. So there's all kinds of things happening now. So let's just deal with this separately. So now I have two folders. One folder is called Gmail Cursor, and the other one is called Gmail.
Okay.
So we're going to look at Gmail, but look, right now it says it has set up Gmail integration. It set up some program files, Python files requirements set up, install dependencies. So it needs some libraries and it's got some setups. Okay, first I'm going to say can we use the Gmail API? And I'll fire that off, okay? And here in Cursor, there's something called agents, right?
Agents, yes, exactly.
Okay, I want to read my Gmail. I can't even type. This is fast.
I told you, right? Shrenik, Cloud we could use for research purpose. It is doing very much better than Cursor.
Claude, yeah. Claude is for research and usage.
Yeah.
Cursor is to build code. The
Yes, exactly.
UI design I find much better, right? Right, here we go. Once you have credentials JSON, run this, okay?
Yeah.
So it's asking me to get the credential JSONs.
Authentication, yes, paginations.
Where do I get the credentials JSON? Look at this, localhost. It's actually set it up, I think, okay? So I go to APIs and services in credentials, right?
Yeah.
In Gmail API. Let's see. So this has built it. So let's pause this. Let me get into Gmail. So Google Cloud. I log into Google Cloud. I go to projects, consoles, and the console. I go into projects, open project, APIs and services, Gmail API, enable it. So that's that. So the auth has been created. The next thing is I'm going to send it this picture. I need to create the
I stopped recording while you are creating APIs and all your account openings.
This is fine. I still haven't shared. You can continue, but I
Yeah,
haven't shared.
it's
Yeah.
fine. I'll continue.
Great. I see. Now it says you have your client. Next, to create auth client. That's that. Click settings. Sidebar. Hold on. So settings. I've done this like 4 times, but it's complicated.
Yeah,
You have
but it's fine.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Once it's set up, we can do it.
Yeah. So here we go. I can see on the setting page, you can configure OAuth, right? On the left-hand, click branding. That's better. That's, yeah. Click branding, click audience. Okay, great. Gmail checker, app logo to set up, browse. We want the logo, upload this. Application domain, application policies, authorized domains. I think we're okay, right?
It's fine. It's working, but what's going on there?
Good, done.
Introduce చేసుకుంటావు
So
కదండి.
now verification is
అడుగుతాడు
not
ఆయన. Introduce
required.
చేసుకుంటాను. Introduce చేసుకుంటావు కదా.
Okay, great.
ఏం చెప్తావు నీ గురించి చెప్పు.
And I should be now
ఏముంది కదా అడుగుతాడు.
creating the OAuth client credentials, which is the next step. Great, done. Verify credentials. Just click on clients in the left-hand sidebar. Choose the desktop app as the main. So we want to create a client. We want a desktop app. Create. There it is, done. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll delete this thing. So now we need to download the JSON. It's downloaded.
We have taken much time to create the JSON, please.
Yeah. So look, this is the JSON.
Okay.
Okay. This JSON, we need to put it here in the Gmail folder that's on my desktop.
Yeah.
I have downloaded the JSON. It is now in the folder. Can you find it? So the JSON is created.
Exactly.
In fact, the JSON, I'm going to copy this. I'm also going to put it in the Gmail cursor. So now it's built something. So what is it built?
Sticky toes.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
It's
It's
built
fine.
this thing.
Cursor,
Email reader.
Cursor made it fast.
Great. This is great. I can see the login page. I have also uploaded the JSON credentials file. Can you incorporate this into the development? This will allow Gmail checker to read your emails. Okay? Yeah. You may now close this window. Right? Great. Great. I'm now able to authenticate and read my emails, but I need a page to list all the emails that I want that have been received so I can review them. Can you use this authentication to tell me what my latest emails are?
So you're working at a time on Cloud and Cursor.
Yes. Look, 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 look. These are my emails.
Yeah, Claude. Yeah.
Exactly.
Jezri, Michael Moody, legal documents, Frank Reimer, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Bhagya Lakshmi. Okay, good. So,
I'm
send
getting
an
an
email to and let him know that we should meet tomorrow because we will have some important updates relating to our project. I would also like to tell him that he needs to review the business plan. We need to do the minutes of the meeting. And also Shravan needs to attend the meeting. And if any other developers want to arrive, they should also attend the meeting. And we might all learn something new.
Sure.
Okay? Do you think it'll work?
Yeah, it's working.
Yes.
I'll check it, Srini. Just a second, I'll check it.
Like
Let's have a look.
Is it sent?
Look.
Just
Checking.
Oh, it's updating the Gmail client script to update the sending functionality.
Wow.
no, not yet. I have not received anything.
No, because it's updating the script. Okay.
Okay.
Where's
Yeah.
Cursor?
But
Okay, this.
you told me
Wait.
that. Okay, fine.
Wait. Hold on. Wait a minute. I get an error after the authentication. It won't work because when you log in and you authenticate, it will go back to localhost.
Yeah.
And Google won't allow localhost. It will say only rockhamgroup.com authenticated domains, right? Yeah, that's what's going to happen. Okay, great.
Now it will work, I think.
Yeah. The page authenticates and then tells me that I can close the window, but I really need to see the list of emails. I think, can you help me debug this? Okay, the email has been sent successfully.
Yeah.
Once check it.
I'll check it. I got it, Srini. I got it.
Now, what I've just shown you is if you can send emails just with a folder and Python,
Without using Gmail.
Without writing the script as actually to the individual.
send 10 emails to Sanjay.
Srini
All with the
also
same
sent
subject of hello.
100 emails to Shravan.
Just writing the script again.
You're in trouble.
It's fine, Srini.
But it's an email bomb. We can create the email bomb as well.
Yeah. There you go. Done.
Yes,
Email
it's
bomb
done.
has gone.
Srini, I'll also do the same thing from now on. Like if Shravan is not answering my phone call, I'll do this email bomb.
Twilio.
Yeah, video. Yeah.
Can we set up an integration with Twilio?
Oh.
Then it will be unlimited, Srini.
Right. Let's try again. This one. Okay. I think I should allow localhost as a allowable redirect. Is this the case? Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
Srini, I got 10 emails, Srini.
That's unfortunate.
It's fine.
Allow. There we go. Ta-da!
Yeah.
There you go. What do you think? What do you think of my email?
Srini, your email is like a WhatsApp messenger, Srini. You will get random emails, with so many meetings. You have busy schedule. Our emails are not like that. Can I say what type of emails that we get is like, we are hiring. Your mail is job has been rejected. Your these type and some sponsored emails. These type of emails that you will get. Only one professional email that I get is from you.
Oh, okay.
Exactly, Srini.
Look, can you see how easy it was to set up this email integration?
Yeah, I'll set up this now. I'll set up and I'll send these bulk emails to Shravan and some of my friends.
Yeah. Now you could on your the good the why I showed you this, right, is how long would it have taken a developer to set this up like this to show you?
Takes my hardly 15 minutes, I think so. If I show them this video.
No, excluding this video, without AI, how long would it have taken you to set this up?
Might take in 2 weeks or 1 week.
Okay.
Yeah, but it makes easier for us.
Now you can look at this and you can say, look, I don't want it like this. When I click on this, I want a delete button, etc., etc. That's what I want, right?
Yeah,
So what I'm trying to say is that AI is automating software development. Complex software, I have just shown you how you've integrated with Gmail OAuth in what, less than 5 minutes? Four
yes, Srini.
minutes, right? And
Yes,
I'm
exactly, Srini.
I'm not even an expert in this.
Yeah, no, Srini, that I won't accept. That I won't accept.
No. I am just a hacker, right? Like
Yeah,
I know a little bit, but I can hack my way. Okay, but I am not a software engineer. I have never been trained in computer science. But if I want to solve a problem, did you see when I was stuck on a screen and I don't know what to do, I took a screenshot and I put it into Claude. I said, what next?
it will guide us.
Right?
Yeah,
Exactly, Srini.
the
And
same thing we are
that,
following.
yeah, exactly. And but not many people understand that. People stop and they say, okay, I don't know what to do. Right? Where, like, should I do this? Just put it back in. It'll fix it for you. Okay. So,
Exactly, Srini.
and after you do it, and by the way, did you notice when it was giving me the error? Okay. I noticed it was redirecting.
Yeah,
Then it said the error was the redirect is not recognized. And I put that into Claude. I said, is it a problem with the redirect? And then it said, that's right. It is a problem with the redirect. It edited the redirect and then the redirect worked. And then you saw the screen.
yes, Srini.
So you have to like pay attention to what's going on and you will solve your problem.
Yeah,
And the only difference is I use this probably more than you do. Probably. I don't know, right? But the more you use it, the more competent you will become, right?
Exactly, Srini.
Um,
become